Alright, here's the deal. Can I turn just $1 into $1,000 in under 10 minutes? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what I'm about to attempt in this video. And the best part? I'm not doing it alone. I've got the latest version of our AI trading bot, and this thing is a beast. With a 75% accuracy rate, it helps traders, even complete beginners, make money by analyzing market trends in real time. No guessing, no emotions, just cold, hard data. And today, I'm putting it to the ultimate test. But that's not all. While we go for that insane 1000x challenge, I'll also break down how to use market news to your advantage when trading currency options. News moves the market. If you know how to read it, you can turn it into pure profit. So, will I make it? Or will I crash and burn? Watch till the end to find out. When it comes to trading currency pairs, understanding the impact of news and economic events can be a game changer. Many traders focus solely on technical indicators, price action, and patterns on the chart, but the real market moves often come from fundamental catalysts. The news cycle drives volatility, creates trends, and shakes up even the most established market structures. If you can learn how to read and react to economic reports, central bank decisions, and geopolitical developments, you can get a serious edge in trading. Let's start with the basics. Financial markets thrive on speculation and anticipation, which means that traders aren't just reacting to what's happening. They're constantly trying to predict the next move. Every major economy releases regular reports on things like employment numbers, inflation rates, GDP growth, and consumer confidence. These reports set the tone for how investors and institutions view a currency's strength. When a report surprises the market, whether positively or negatively, you see instant volatility. Currencies surge or crash within seconds, and that's where opportunities come in. For example, imagine a situation where a country's central bank hints at raising interest rates. Even before the official decision is made, traders start adjusting their positions. If the actual announcement confirms the expectation, the market may continue in that direction, but if there's a surprise, like the central bank deciding to hold rates steady when everyone expected a hike, you'll see a dramatic reaction. The key is understanding how the market is positioned before the news drops. If too many traders are expecting a bullish outcome and the news disappoints, the market might reverse sharply. On the flip side, if the news is better than expected and few traders were positioned for it, the movement can be even stronger as people rush to adjust their trades. Want to take your trading to the next level? Here's your chance to get a real edge. For a limited time, you can access our powerful trading bot absolutely free for the first month. After that, it switches to a paid plan, but right now, you get to test it with zero risk. Don't miss out. Claim your free trial by clicking the link below. And here's the best part. The moment you activate the bot, you'll receive a special promo code that instantly doubles your first deposit. Put in $400, and we'll add another $400 to your account, just like that. These promo codes won't last forever, so if you want that extra boost, now's the time to act. But there's more. You'll also unlock VIP access to an exclusive trading community, where top traders share real-time market insights and premium trade signals to keep you ahead of the game. Got questions? No worries, our expert support team is ready to help with strategies, guidance, and everything you need to maximize your trading potential. Opportunities like this don't come often. Click the link below and start trading smarter today. Another critical aspect is employment data, especially in major economies like the United States. The monthly job report is one of the biggest market movers. If the numbers come in much higher than expected, it signals economic strength, which can boost the currency. But if the report is weaker than anticipated, you'll likely see a sharp decline. What makes this kind of trading fascinating is that sometimes the actual numbers matter less than the market's expectations. If traders were already positioned for strong job growth and the report meets expectations, you might not see much movement. But if the report unexpectedly misses or beats the forecast, that's when you get the strongest reaction. Inflation reports work in a similar way. When inflation rises faster than expected, central banks are more likely to tighten monetary policy, which usually strengthens the currency. On the other hand, if inflation is weaker, it reduces the chances of rate hikes, leading to a weaker currency. This is why experienced traders don't just react to the news itself. They anticipate how it will shape the bigger picture. They study not only the numbers but also the market sentiment leading up to the release. If traders are already betting on a strong inflation number and it comes in as expected, the impact might be muted. But if the market was leaning in the other direction and gets caught off guard, that's where big moves happen. One of the trickiest but most rewarding aspects of news-driven trading is central bank policy. The way policymakers phrase their statements is often just as important as the decisions they make. A central banker might announce a rate hike, but if they hint at slowing down future increases, the currency could still drop. On the other hand, if a bank holds rates steady but suggests that future hikes are likely, you might see a strong rally. Traders who can read between the lines and anticipate how the market will interpret central bank language have a serious advantage. Want to sharpen your trading skills and snag some extra cash? We're giving away a total of $2,000, split evenly between 2 lucky winners, with each taking home a cool grand. Getting in on this is easy. Just watch the video, hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment sharing your take on trading. But here's the deal, basic comments like "I want $1,000 won't cut it." We're after real insights, unique perspectives, something that actually adds value. And since only one top quality comment per person counts, make sure yours stands out. Every week, I'll randomly select the winners and announce them in our Telegram channel, link in the description. While you're there, stick around. Our community is packed with expert strategies, trading tips, and mindset hacks to keep you ahead of the game. Good luck! Trading the news isn't about guessing, it's about reacting. Master market sentiment, stay adaptable, and position yourself wisely for smarter trades. Appreciate you tuning in. If you're ready to step up your trading game, give our bot a shot. It's already helped tons of traders hit their targets with a solid, battle-tested strategy. See you in the next video. Happy trading!